Welcome to all on Sethi Learn. In today's session, I'm going to discuss increasing and decreasing functions under the chapter Application Derivative plus 2 Math. In this session, I'm going to discuss 4 questions. Through these 4 questions, I will try to clear all the concepts applicable. First question is polynomial function. Second question is trigonometric function. Third question is rational expression. Fourth question is function power function. These two questions have been taken from NCERT book, and these two questions have been taken from JEE Main 2024. As all concepts are very important, therefore it is requested to go through all the concepts. Right? Now let's start the question. Question is, find the intervals in which function 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is strictly increasing and decreasing. Right? One theorem is there. Let f be the continuous on closed interval and differential on open interval. Then f is strictly increasing if on AB if f dash x greater than 0, decreasing if less than 0, and equal to 0 if constant. Right? And working procedure is differentiate the given function. For critical points, put f dash equal to 0. Regarding the critical points, I have already discussed in the session of local maximum minima. You can go through that. Find all the possible values of belonging to the given interval. Draw the critical points, the number line. Number line. Move from left to right. Move from left to right. Pick up any value in each interval. Put up the picked value in f dash x on simplification or by observation. If f dash x greater than 0, strictly increasing. If less than 0, strictly decreasing. Finally, conclude the answer. These are the working principles. Now, let's start with the question. Question is, first we have to differentiate it, f dash x. Differentiating. So 2 into 3 is 6x square minus 6x minus 36. 6 taken common, x square minus x minus 6. This comes out to be x minus 3, x plus 2. Right? This is f dash x. Try to maintain the term f dash x in the factorized form up to the level extent possible. Now for critical points, are generally the turning points like this. This is a critical at this where tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Here we from here to here increasing, here to decreasing. For critical points, f dash x equal to 0. X comes out to minus 2 and minus and 3. These are the critical points, right? Now, what is the next procedure? Put on the number line. Because it is a polynomial, so minus infinity, infinity, minus 2 and 3. These are to go to. Move from left to right. Moving from left to right, pick up any arbitrary value. We take say minus 4 here. Here we can take say 5 here. So we can take here 2.5 here. Right? Here we can take 5 here in this case. Right? Now check. F dash minus 4. F dash minus 4 means 6 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 3 and this comes out to be minus 4 plus 2. So negative, negative, positive. So greater than 0. right? So increasing. In this interval, it is increasing, right? Now, next, f dash 2.5, 2.5 में 6 minus 2.5 minus 3 and minus 2.5 plus 2. 1 minus x minus 3, x minus 2, minus 2, 3, correct, x minus. With this take, we take 2.5 plus 2.5. This is the plus 2.5. This is the plus 2.5. This is negative. This is positive. Negative, positive, negative. So less than 0. Decreasing. In this interval, it is decreasing. Next, f dash 5. Then 6, 5 minus 3 and 5 plus 2. So this is positive. This is positive. So answer is greater than 0. So increasing. In this interval, it is increasing. Right? Now, we have concluded moving from left to right, mark the critical points, pick up the any value in the critical in the interval, put in the f dash x, decide the sign. After deciding the sign, we have to conclude the answer. So conclusion क्या रहेगा इसमें? Conclusion minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity. It is increasing. It is increasing, right? Next आएगा, the next आएगा, that is minus 2 to 3. Minus 2 to 3, it is decreasing. It is decreasing, right? Now I will again repeat the procedure. First step is find the critical, differentiate, we differentiated it. Then express the differentiated terms in the factorization possible up to the extent possible and put equal to 0 for critical points. Critical points, find after finding the critical, draw the number line is drawn, mark on the number line minus 2, 3, move from left to right. In this case, we pick up one value, we pick up one value, then put up these values in this one. It is not need not to calculate necessary all the exact calculations. We are concerned with the sign only. In this case, we conclude the sign. After conclusion, we mark it here whether it is increasing or decreasing. Now in this case, it is completely clear. And finally, we decided what is the conclusion. Minus infinity to minus 2 decreasing, union 3 to infinity increasing, and minus 2 to 3 decreasing, right? Now, next question will be on trigonometric function, right? Next. Now the question is on trigonometric function. This is the effects. According to the procedure, f dash x equal to cos x minus sin x. This is already in simplified form, right? This is equation 1. For critical points, f dash x equal to 0. That is cos x minus sin x equal to 0. That is tan x equal to 1. Right? Tan x equal to 1. Now interval is tan x equal to 1 is possible. You know, ASTC, all school to college. First quadrant all positive, second quadrant sin and cosec positive, third quadrant tan and cot positive, fourth quadrant cos and sec positive, right? Then first answer is x will be equal to pi by 4. Second quadrant is not possible, fourth quadrant is not possible. So Fourth quadrant will be pi plus pi by 4. That is 5 pi by 4. That is 45 degree. That is 225 degree. Critical points are known to know. Now, draw the number line. This is 0. This is 2 pi. Right? This is pi by 4. This is 5 pi by 4. That is 45 degree. That is 225 degree. It is 2 pi. That is 360 degree. Pick up any value in this case. Say 30 degree. We pick up 30 degree. F dash 30 degree will be equal to F dash 6 cos x minus sin x. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. 30 degree minus sin 30 degree. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is greater than 0, increasing. Conclude here, increasing. Now in this case 45 to 25, we can take any value, 60 degree. 60 degree. F dash 60 degree. Cos 60 minus sin 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Comes out to this. That is decreasing. Put it here, decreasing. Then F dash 225. So we can take here 300. 300. F dash 300. Cos 300 minus sin 300. That is cos 360 plus 60. First quadrant to cos 60 minus sin 360 plus 60. This will come to be 360 minus 60. This will be 360 minus 60. Sin will remain sin, cos will remain cos. In that case, this will come out to be cos is fourth quadrant. So cos fourth quadrant, cos is positive, cos 60 degree. Minus sin minus sin 60 degree. So cos 60 plus sin 60. This is greater than 0. Right? So this is increasing. This is increasing. Now, number line is clear. So conclusion. Increasing 0 to pi by 4. In this interval, this is closed. And 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi. It is increasing. Decreasing will be pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Right? I think this is clear in all respect. I have discussed the quadrants in which it is positive, in which it is negative. I have also discussed that 300 can be written as 360 minus 60. In this case, trigonometric function will not change. And in the fourth quadrant, cos 60. On the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, sin is negative, positive. This becomes up to positive. This is all about trigonometric functions and conclusion. Now the next question will be on rational expression. Right? Now let's start the question. Now the question on rational expression. This question has been taken from JEE Mains 2024. Question is fx equal to x upon x square minus 6x minus 16 for x belonging to set of all real values except the value minus 2 and 8. 4 options are given to one of option is correct option. Right? Before start of the question, I am going to discuss certain concepts other than this question. Right? Question formula you know. denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation denominator of denominator whole square. This is simple. Increasing decreasing function. If we are not going to differentiate it, what will the increasing on interval I if x1 is less than x2 and fx1 is less than or equal to x2, then increasing strictly if less than means if matching is there. Matching means either both are less or both are greater. This is less, this is less, this is less, this is less. Increasing if less than or equal to, strictly increasing if less. Similarly, means matching is there. Matching. In this case, mismatch. Mismatch. One should less, one should greater. If one is less than, the other should be greater than. Then decreasing or strictly decreasing. Right? This is another information. Right? Additional information. These are the graphs given strictly increasing, decreasing cases. You can go through this. Now, question is this one. You know, denominator. Denominator is x square minus 6x minus 16. X minus 8, x plus 2. In that case, x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 8. Denominator will become 0. Means, you know, any number divided by 0 is non-defined. Therefore, in the question it is given that except minus 2 and 8. Except minus 2 and 8. Right? Now, differentiating given function f dash x equal to x square minus 6x minus 16 into differentiation of x 1 minus 1 into differentiation of denominator 2x minus 6 upon denominator whole square x square minus 6x minus 16. Right? Simplifying it, x square minus 6x minus 16 minus 2x plus 6 divided by x square minus 6x minus 16 whole square. Right? This is x. This is x. So this will be 2x square plus 6x. This 6x goes. Remaining comes out to be minus x square minus 16 divided by x square minus 16x 6x minus 16 equal to, right? Now, f dash x finally comes out to be negative x square plus 16 x square minus 16 x square minus 6x minus 16. This is whole square. In this case, by observation, we are getting that numerator is always greater than 0 for all values of all real values of x, because x square is always greater than 0 for all real values of x. Denominator is also greater than 0 for all real values of x. No need to find another critical point, right? Now, as overall sign of this is f dash x is less than 0 for all r except minus 2 and 8, because these are the points where the rational expression becomes non-defined. So therefore function is decreasing. Now we have to pick up the correct answer. Pick up the correct answer. Correct answer will be decreases minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 2 to infinity union 8 to infinity. Right? Means minus 2 is not to be considered in this case and 8 is not to be considered. It means correct answer is D option. D option is correct option. D option is correct answer. D is correct option. D is correct option. Right? D is correct option. Now I will start the next question is function power function. Now the question is on function power function. Fx is given to you x power x. Differentiating it, before differentiation we have to take log. So let it is y. Log of y equal to x log x. Differentiating with respect to x. 1 over y dy by dx, product formula, x into 1 by x plus log x into 1. This comes out to be 1 plus log x, right? Now, dy by dx, you can say it f dash x equal to y, x power x, 1 plus log x. According to question, our simple requirement is find the intervals in which function is increasing, strictly increasing. If it is the case, no need to find critical point. F dash x should be greater than equal to 0, right? Means x power x, 1 plus log x should be greater than equal to 0, right? Now, as x power x cannot be 0 for any value, then for x greater than 0, so 1 plus log x should be greater than equal to 0, or log x should be greater than equal to minus x, x should be greater than equal to e to the power minus 1, x greater than should be equal to 1 by e. Means 1 by e 0, 1 by e infinity. This is the possible answer. Let's see the answer. A is the correct option. A is correct option. Now I have discussed the 4 cases: rational expression, function power function, polynomial and trigonometric function. In all I have discussed the concepts applicable, right? Now I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel Sethi Learn and like this video, please subscribe and share the channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Concept killing videos, right? Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी. बहुत